can a Vornado heat your entire room without using intense heat and remain cool to the touch? Average heaters get hot, too hot. Heat builds up on and near the heater, creating an intense up-close experience. However, the heat fails to venture far, leaving cold rooms cold. And with poor circulation, these heaters can only regulate the temperature near the device, unable to provide whole room comfort. A Vornado is different. Unlike average heaters, a Vornado uses powerful air circulation to push out heat. The air flows fast, warm and gentle in a twisting spiral pattern called vortex action. To create a continuous current of warm air throughout the entire room, a Vornado uses walls and ceiling as pathways to circulate and recirculate the heat, leaving the whole room perfectly warm and comfortable. For added safety, a Vornado comes prepared for everyday unexpected incidents. It automatically shuts off if tipped over or if something blocks the airflow. And because a Vornado doesn't need to use intense heat, it remains cool to the touch, no matter how long it runs. With its 5-year warranty, longevity is something that you won't have to worry about. So, can a heater keep your entire room comfortable without using intense heat and still remain cool to the touch? Feel for yourself.
At DREO, every innovation is about unleashing the power of air. It is creating technologies that go beyond performance limits, transforming the coldest winter into a warm atmosphere instantly. With hyperamics and Shield 360 technologies, bring soothing warmth in under 2 seconds. Unleash the power of air.
Find the comfort you need anytime, anywhere. This powerful yet compact space heater can get the job done. And it's lightweight, so you can easily move it from room to room. The built-in safety features that include overheat protection and cool touch housing, 3 quiet heat settings, and an elongated ceramic element provide you with safe ceramic heat in almost any room in your home. Warm the room you're in and get comfortable with this ceramic tower heater with remote control from LASKO.